Hi, I'm Jinjin Ganoy and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm really excited to share a little bit of my coding journey with you. Whether you're a pro or just starting out, I hope you'll find something interesting and fun here. So, ang ako din i-explain nga code. Naka-assign sa ko nga code nga i-discuss is ang login and register. So, first is atong unahon ang login. So, i-explain na to una ang imports and setup. So, kanina siya diri sa import reactive and ref. Kay, gigamit din siya to create reactive data objects and single value references. So, next is kaning API, import API from Axios.js. So, this is likely a configured Axios instance for making HTTP requests. And next is use auth store from stores slash authstore.js. So this is a Pinia store similar to Vuex from for managing authentication state. And next is ang use router from Vue dash router. So this is used for automatically navigating um, between routes. So next is proceed sa routes or router rather cons router. So kani siya mao ni siya ang reference to the router allowing navigation. Next is auth store. Mao ni siya ang reference to the authentication store. Then kani siyang login button loading. A boolean reference na siya to indicate if the login button is loading. So next is ang show password. So a boolean reference to toggle password visibility. And next is form. So form is a reactive object holding the form data. Mo ni siya ang email o ang password na iyang gihold nga data. Then next is ang errors. So kani siyang cons errors equals ref open and close parentheses null. So mo ni siya ang reference to hold any error messages. Next is proceed ta sa try and catch. So kaning try and catch block, gigamit ni siya for error handling. First is kani siyang login button loading value that value equals value. So mao ni siya ang nag-indicates the loading state when the login is in progress. Next is ang API.post kani login kani siya. Kay mao ni siya ang nag-sends a post request to the login or endpoint with the form data. That then press. So, mao ni siya ang nag-handles a successful response, setting the auth state and navigating to the home page. And next, for the catch error, mao ni siya ang nag-handle sa errors, setting login button loading to false and updating errors accordingly. Next is errors that value equals error that response dot aniya siya that data that errors. Ano siya ang nag-set sa specific error messages from the response. Next is error that value kaning email equals invalid server error. Here, this one. Ay, invalid credentials rather. So, mo na siya ang default error messages for invalid credentials. Then, kani siya dinhi errors that value equals server semicolon, colon, internal server error. Mo na siyang default error messages for server issues. Next, let's move on to the template. So, kani siya si vContainer, mo ni siya ang beautify container component with the background color and full height. So, background color and full height. Next, for the V button perpend icon, mo ni siya ang button to navigate back to the home page. And next is V dash row. This one, justify. So, give it that cool. So, mo ni siya ang beautify sa layout components for centering the card. Then sa V card, Sa vCard kay mo na siyang a card component containing the login form. Then for the vCard title, the card's title login. Then vcard.item or dash card dash item contains contains the form fields and error messages. Then for the vAlert, a vAlert vif vAlert vif kay mo siya ang the calls errors that server an alert displaying error server errors. Then vtext field. Sa vtext field kay mao ni siya ang text fields for email and password with validation messages. Then for the vcard actions contains the login button and register button. Then for the v button um at click v ay sorry wait sa ha v button at click asa na to siya. Yeah. For the V button at click, equals login button that triggers the login function. Then for the V button variant, text to register button to navigate to the registration page. And for the V model, manage siya ang two-way data binding for form inputs. And V if is conditional rendering for displaying errors. Then naapo di siya ay additional functionality. At click equals show password. At click equals show password. So mo na siya ang show password toggles password visibility when the eye icon is clicked. And variant color loading block class mo na siya ang various props to style beautify components. And now proceed ta sa register. So unahan na to ang script setup. So kani siyang imports. So kaning mga imports kay gi-import nimo ang necessary functions and modules from view. Mao ni siya ang reactive and ref. Your authentication store, kanya siyang use auth store. The view router, mo ni siyang use router and an Axios instance API. So, kani sa reactive variables, you define reactive variables to handle form data, password visibility, loading state, and error messages. Sa register function kay this function handles the user registration process. So it sends a post request to the register endpoint with form data. If successful siya, it sets authentication data in the store and redirects to the home page. So if there are errors, it captures and displays them. Next is sa template niya. So kani si container, siya ang main container sets nga nag-set sa background color and full viewport height. Then for the back button, for the back button, a button to go to the home page. Then form layout, mao ni siya ang the form is centered on the page and contains a card with title register. So alert for displaying server errors, form fields for email name and password, each with error handling. Password field includes a toggle button to show hide password. Then sa register button, oh, then sa register button, kay a button to trigger the register function with a loading state. Then last is the login navigation. So mo siyang a button to regenerate to the login page. So that could be all. And